Today we're showing you a 2020 John Deere 3032E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 300E front-end loader. Tractor has just under 150 hours, so very low hour machine. It does come with a balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2027. So very nice tractor here, very close to new. It does have the John Deere stock quick attach here for your bucket quick attach. Bucket's in great shape. Does have the front grill guard. Paint's in great shape on the tractor. Tires are excellent. Has the R4 tires. Has the twin pedal hydrostatic transmission. Forward reverse pedals right down here on the floor. Two ranges in that hydrostatic transmission. The high-low is shifted there to the left of the seat. Loader control also right here to the right of the steering wheel. Complete 3-point hitch with the top link, stabilizers, drawbar, everything's there. Has the 540 PTO. Really nice size tractor to do some work around the barn, around the house. Small enough to get in your yard, yet large enough to do some additional tasks. We take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at Mast Tractor.